Hey everyone, Paul Akers with FastCap. So our track rack system is very popular, and I know on the FOG owners group for Festool that people have said that the Makita doesn't work as well because this sacrificial strip right here can get distorted with the weight hanging on it. Well, it's a very, very simple solution. All you do is take your track rack system out and put it on upside down like we've done right here. That way the sacrificial strip is not taking the weight. You've got it on that edge, and it just slips in just like that, and you're good to go. Now another option as well that really is quite effective, and we see people doing it, is remember we have this stop in here, and that stop will allow you to hang this whole system vertically. Of course, you're not going to do that on a garage door because the panels break, but if you're hanging on the wall, you can put them vertical as well as horizontal. So enjoy your track rack system because, as you know, this is the ultimate way to store that track rack and keep it in great shape. Hopefully that helps. Thanks a lot. Hey everyone in the woodworking community, just so you know, I have a brand new app called 2 Second Lean Play. It has all my books in many, many languages, and guess what? Everything is free. You can download the app on the Google Play Store or the App Store and pass it on to your friends and family. We don't want a single thing because it's always a good time to improve and learn about lean manufacturing. Enjoy.